What happens when three high school friends reunite during a Trump-pocalypse? I'll tell you what happens. They do a podcast, little buddy.
I will find you.
You are watching Generation Exile.
So now that pink area represents the encroachment.
What you are witnessing is real. The participants are not actors. They are actual litigants with a case pending in a YouTube court of opinion. Both parties, well, just one of them anyway, have agreed to dismiss their court cases and have their dispute settled here in our forum, the Peephole's Court.
Or the area where I feel he's on my property. And...
Objection, Your Honor. Michael Romanelli, the homeowner, is trying to suggest that my client has encroached a corner of his property which was left unabated until my client put up his fence, and then Mr. Romanelli decided that there was ownership of that square footage.
Overruled.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Please continue and make it snappy, sir.
I will. I'm moving on, Your Honor. My final attachment here is the survey for his property. Okay.
Objection, Your Honor.
on the right side is the property line that we share.
Your Honor, my client's a very private person, and I don't think that Mr. Romanelli got permission to show his property on this YouTube channel.
I see that the relevant information has been redacted, so I think we'll allow it.
So he's looking at his survey, and he's like, oh, my property line comes right up to the utility pole. So I'm going to build my fence right up to the utility pole. And before I take down Mike Romanelli's black chain link fence that's on my property, I'll probably wait till I talk to him about that.
Am I to infer that he did not talk to you about it?
No, not in fact when I called him on his cell phone as the fence was being erected.
Your Honor, can I ask a question of Michael Romanelli, Your Honor?
Hold on. He just said erected, so I'm curious to see where this goes.
So again, just to touch back to this one, where he built his fence right up to the telephone pole on his survey, he thinks he's doing the right thing. So,
Your Honor, objection. How does Michael Romanelli know what my client's thinking? Is he a mind reader? Is he the amazing Kreskin? Does he have some sort of mind reading machinery over there next to that big pole that he claims is on his property?
Can you answer these questions, Mr. Romanelli?
Yes, I can answer absolutely every one of them, Your Honor. And I'll start in the order of the silliest. I know exactly what he's thinking because he told me this.
Your Honor, my client would like to make a statement.
Go ahead.
Your Honor, I am Michael Romanelli's neighbor, and he is a bald-faced liar who, for the record, walks around his property completely naked with his business for the whole neighborhood to see. If you were his neighbor, you too would build a fence.
Your Honor, I object. I don't think the prosecution's witness could pass a CAPTCHA test.
Would you please ask your witness to identify the bicycle in this picture?
Mike, your neighbor's wife wants to weigh in.
Michael, my husband owes you an apology for taking your property, and I would like to make it up to you in a way only I can. Please come to my boudoir tonight at 9 p.m. and wear something comfortable.
Guys, I gotta go here. It's almost 9 o'clock. I got something I gotta take care of. So.
I think he's going to pork her, his neighbor.
Really hate that sad loser, Mr. Newberger.
Who, me?